welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. These are St. Brigid Anemones, bred in Geeshland, County Offaly, famous anemone. Planted from corms very soon now, particularly on St. Brigid's Day, you could start planting them as corms in pots, getting ready for summer colour. They flower end of May, June, July into August time from little corms like this that grow around 8 or 9 inches high. That's the corms look like. You can soak them in water for an hour or two before you plant, or plant them directly, they'll be fine. A little pot here, 10.5 centimetre pot filled with swell compost. We're just going to push in about 5 corms in. You can start over the next few weeks, these fellows. If you're lucky enough to have a polytunnel or greenhouse, you can plant them there or in a nice sheltered spot outside, maybe underneath a hedge or somewhere like that. Just somewhere they're going to be just little bit of shelter from the extreme cold, but they're tough and hardy and reliable and give colour like that. They're mixed. You get 10 little corms in a pack like that and very easily planted. And when they get well established and they see if your roots coming out the bottom, you can plant them out in your garden. Or if you want to leave them until March, you can plant them directly out in your garden for summer colour. So that's St. Brigid Anemones. Can be started off in pots now or planted out direct in the soil later on. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.